I'm feeling high.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know we are in a completely different setup and I'm eating pistachios because I'm gonna bake some pistachio cake for you. It's the simplest, the quickest and the easiest recipe which you can bake. We're in my kitchen. Let's get started. Please let me know how it turned out. If you guys bake, post some pictures, tag me on Instagram, show some love. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Let's get started. Guys, for this cake, all you need is baking powder. I've added a pinch of salt in my baking powder. You need flour, sugar, butter, ground pistachios, some milk, 2 eggs and cinnamon or vanilla essence. So I didn't get my hands on the vanilla pod, so I'm using cinnamon, and I've already preheated my oven at 170. So guys, let's get started. It's so simple. I'm gonna add all my dry ingredients in a bowl first. So here goes the maida, baking powder and salt, cinnamon, sugar, pistachios. Look how beautiful. Look at the color, and someone is at the door. I'm so sorry. I'll be back. So yeah, in goes all the dry ingredients. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it very nicely. So look, I've taken all the dry ingredients, that is. So guys, this is not like the cooking dalal shows or a perfect recipe which you can see on YouTube. This is very homely and that's how I like to bake. The only thing which is missing right now is coffee or मेरा favorite chai, but अभी कुछ नहीं है, but cake के साथ ज़रूर होगा. So I'm gonna mix it very nicely and I'm gonna get back to you. Guys, I have mixed all the dry ingredients nicely, and now in this dry ingredients goes butter. This is Amul butter. You can take salted butter also because my pistachios were not salted. So in goes the butter, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna beat eggs separately. 2 eggs and beat them. Take the butter and the rest of the ingredients and mix it. Guys, the dry ingredients look something like this after mixing butter. Now what I'm gonna do is we'll add dry ingredients in the eggs. So slowly I'm gonna add all the dry ingredients which I've mixed with butter in the eggs. Guys, I whipped up my dry ingredients with the eggs and butter, as you can see, and you only have to use milk if you think your batter is very dry, but otherwise you don't have to use it. And this cake tastes yum. So yeah, I'm gonna mix it nicely and prepare my tin and get back to you. It actually tastes yum. So I've taken the tin and we'll pour this beautiful mixture, which you can see looks stunning. So I've poured my batter in this. It will go in the oven at 170 for 40 to 45 minutes. And आप अपने इरिटेटेड पति जो लॉकडाउन में आपसे बहुत इरिटेटेड हैं, बच्चे जो शैतानियाँ करे जा रहे हैं, उनको खिलाइए. आप भी, मुझे पता है, बहुत इरिटेटेड हैं. आपका मूड अच्छा होगा, ये पिस्ताचियो केक खिलाइए. एंड do let me know how it turned out. I'm gonna insert few pictures after it's done. I hope you like it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Show some love, guys. It means a lot to me. And I love you. Bye. Look at this beauty. Wow. I mean, please guys, if you try this, let me know. And subscribe to my channel. Show some love. It means a lot to me. Enjoy this stunning beauty with a cup of tea or coffee, whatever you like. Hope to guys see you soon. I know videos थोड़े late हो रहे हैं, but lots of love.